Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium. First, place your harmonium on a flat surface at a comfortable height, ensuring you can easily reach the bellows and keys. Sit upright with good posture, allowing your arms and hands to move freely. Open the air stop or drone stops if your harmonium has them, typically on the right side. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable learning experience. Get acquainted with your instrument before proceeding. Now, let's focus on the bellows, which are the heart of the harmonium sound. Use your non-dominant hand to pump the bellows in and out with a steady, rhythmic motion. The goal is to create a continuous flow of air, which in turn produces a sustained sound when keys are pressed. Avoid jerky movements, aim for a smooth, even push and pull. Consistent air pressure is key to producing beautiful, unwavering notes. Practice this motion without pressing any keys first. With the bellows mastered, it's time to play your first notes. Press down a single key, for example, middle C, with your dominant hand while simultaneously pumping the bellows. Listen to the sound and try to sustain it evenly. Next, practice the C major scale, playing 8 notes from C to C. Use your thumb, index, and middle fingers for the initial 5 notes. Focus on clear, distinct notes and smooth transitions between them. Consistent practice is vital for progress. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of dedicated practice each day. Start by reinforcing your scales and then move on to simple melodies or devotional songs. Many harmonium players enjoy using drone notes. Try engaging 1 or 2 drone stops to add a rich, resonant background to your playing. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this musical journey. Enjoy the beautiful sounds you create.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.